Gaze forward, step or float the feet to the hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana. Next posture is eagle, Gurudasana. Arms swing down. Right arm crosses under the left, the elbows. And then shift the weight over to the left side. And draw that right leg up. Cross it over the thigh. You can use the right foot as a kickstand to help you balance. Or wrap the foot and back. Sink into that eagle pose. Give yourself a squeeze here. And unwind. Come back to chair. Other side. Arms swing down. Sink into that eagle pose. Give yourself a squeeze here. Hands to heart center, tree pose. Shift the weight to the left leg. You can either place the foot at the ankle, to the kickstand, at the calf, or the upper thigh. And then take the hands to heart center. And here again we get an opportunity to ground down through that standing foot. Lengthen the spine. Nice full breath in, grow an inch taller. Release, circle out that standing ankle. Shift to the other side, place the left foot at the ankle, calf, or upper thigh. Hands to heart center, tree pose. And same thing here, root down through that standing foot. Next inhale, grow an inch taller. Circle out that standing ankle. We'll meet back at the top of the mat. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, fold forward, release. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. Chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog.